Hey guys, Kevin, BlindLuckMechanic. I'm a 100% blind auto enthusiast. Today, I'm going to be alleviating my neighbor of some two-stroke fuel. So come along with me, and I'll come back here in just a second and show you how I get there. All right, so here we go. So I leave my house, find the sidewalk here. I've got trusty cane. This is my only cane. I was gonna say this is my work cane, but it's my only cane. Had my good cane in the back of the gangster with the tailgate down and just the net tailgate on. Had my stick in the back. We pulled out here on the road, give her the beans. Unknowingly, cane slid out of the back of the truck. A little while later, I had left at this point. A little while later, my nephew seen somebody stop in the middle of the road and pick it up and drive off with it. I put all kinds of posts on Facebook asking that it be returned. Never did get it though. But, so, I don't know if you've seen that car back there, but we touched that car, and then we head about an 11 o'clock direction. Hopefully I don't get lost here on camera. This is a tree. Which tree is it? All right. I think we're supposed to head over this way. Sounds like we're getting close. No. Yes. Okay. My stick's hung. And here we are. Try to avoid this. It's cut my eye before, the edge of it. Hence we got some, well, that right there is what got me right above the eye one time, but we got some PVC pipe insulation on it there, but it's kind of slid in. But I'm gonna shut this video down, alleviate some two-stroke fuel, and then I'll come back. Right, so we got the two-stroke fuel. Now I have to head that way back towards my house, and then beyond my house down there to the big red chicken house. That's my shop. So let's see if we can do this. Not get lost or not encounter any obstacles. Trusty cane back in use. And you might hear me like thump it on the ground sometimes. That's I kind of navigate by sound, so I can kind of tell when I'm close to something. I know that traffic at my back does not sound like I'm going the right way. I'm gonna press on. Yeah, I believe I'm going the right way based on my neighbor's air conditioner. As long as I can find my house. There's the cross ties at the top of my, I don't know, my front yard. So we're not far from the, oh wait, the sidewalk's, can't remember which way the sidewalk is. We're approaching something. It'll be my Ranger. Yep. Okay. Slide to the back of it. Skirt the side of my house. Find my house and work around the corner of it. There the corner of the house is. Press on, pressing on. Continuing. It's cold today. I don't know what the temperature is right now, but I know my hands are freezing. Didn't get any fuel on me. Just filled up a bottle of fuel, like a 20-ounce bottle. Okay, we're approaching the doors here. I gotta find the 2x4s that prop them open. And whammo blammo. All right, I'm gonna shut this video down and get in here. All right, found the saw in question. It's just no Poland. I think it's a 40 or a 42 cc. I've got it modified a little bit, of course. Race car life, race saw life. I just drilled some holes so it got a little bit better air, and then took the muffler and opened it up a little bit. It really responded well, the muffler being opened up. Couldn't really tell any gains with it breathing better air, but it has to help. Next, I'd like to take the flywheel off and grind on the flywheel key to advance the timing, give it just a pinch more timing. And I don't know, I'm really impressed with it. Just in here putting some fuel in it because there's a winter storm coming up this weekend. So I'm gonna try to make sure that we're ready for that just in case we have to use it. I'm gonna set my tripod up and we'll see if she's a runner. Okay, got the camera on the tripod if it doesn't fall. Hopefully I'm gonna be in frame. We can try to crank this monster. This is the first time I tried to crank it in, I don't know, probably close to a year. I'm gonna prime it a whole bunch of times, get the fuel system primed. And judge me, I drop start it. It's easier, I got torn rotator cuffs, so I'm about to bend out on the ground, yank on it. How many pulls that was? Maybe 3 or 4. See, there's a boo. Give it full choke again. Half choke. And that'll probably flooded it. Alright, try to choke off. Half choke again, let it warm up. Probably flooded it. Come on, Sal, behave. Full choke. Kill switch ain't. Kill switch is in the run position. Nope. It does have the like a warm weather tune in it. Might need to tune the adjust on the carburetor a little bit, but we're gonna see if we can get it to crank, idle, and rev it some more. Get real crazy with it. Oh well, it runs. Just need to tweak on the carburetor a little bit, but I'll end that video off and see if we can get it running. Whew, winded. I ain't gonna give up on it. idled up. We're gonna idle it up. It should be a runner. Hopefully I don't knock y'all over as I'm coming back towards the tripod. Where are you, tripod? Thank y'all. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe. There it is. Idling away.